Good day. I am Burneline Kaars, Head of the Organisational Development at the University of the Free State in South Africa. Our Women's Breakfast story began more than 10 years ago when I hosted our first event. We entered our first competition in 2023 and have since won 6 national and international awards, of which 2 are IABC Gold Quill Excellence Awards. In 2025, we were the only event to receive an Excellence Award, and it will always be one of the proudest moments of my life. My advice for entrants would be to tell your story, explain the essence of your communication, and then color it with the tactics and the measurements. Your entry begins long before you start populating the form. It begins when the seed of the message is planted in your heart. I never entered with the idea to win, but my goal is always to share the splendor of our Women's Breakfast. And ask someone without insight into your event or your campaign to read your entry. Their questions will show you where the gaps are. Anyone should be able to read your entry and to fully understand and appreciate your project. Receiving an IABC Gold Quill Excellence Award is significant in so many ways, but I will highlight the 3 most impactful consequences. The recognition means the world to me and my team. Feeling seen fuels us to keep on doing our best. It cultivates trust among our sponsors. Such an event depends heavily on the support of our sponsors, and we cannot do it without them. It creates a sense of belonging for all parties involved, that we belong to something bigger and better than we can be on our own. Thank you to the organizers of the IABC Gold Quill Awards. You help us to open hands and hearts. Here is a short glimpse of our event.
Welcome to the UFS Women's Breakfast. We're going up.